in 2019, and 235 black people were killed by police in 2019. Therefore, white people must be killed more, right? So wrong. And since apparently they're not smart enough, which I'm not surprised to do basic math by themselves, I did it all for them. Their argument is that since 370 white people were killed last year and only 235 black people were killed last year, that means that white people are killed more. But when you look at the numbers, 76.5% of US citizens are white, 13.4% of US citizens are black. The population of the United States is 328.2 million. 76.5% of that is 251,073,000, and 13.4% of that is 43,978,000. Reduced ratios, which you probably learned in elementary school or middle school, means that 1 in 678,576 white people are killed, and 1 in 187,144 black people are killed. Your argument is wrong, just shut the fuck up.
If you're anything like me, you're often confronted by dumb white people who like to remind you that 13% of the population, black people, commit 50% of the murders. So I want to teach you how to respond using this secret technique that dumb white people don't know about. It's called math. Now, what these people are usually talking about is the FBI database. So we have to see how many black arrests the FBI made in 2019, which is 4,078. Now, remember, all of these black people weren't convicted, but let's go with that number. Next, we're going to go to the U.S. Census Bureau's website to see how many black people there are in America. So what we're going to do now is take the total number of black people who were arrested for murder, which is 4,078, and we're going to divide that by the total number of black people in America, 48,221,139. So this is the percentage of black people who are murderers. Let's turn it into a negative number because murder is negative. Ooh. We're going to add it to 1 or, 100% if you know a little bit about decimals. And let's multiply that by 100 because, decimals confuse some people. So 99.991543% of black people are not murderers. So if someone wants to categorize you by something 99.991543% of black people don't do, or even if they just ask you to explain it, the way that you respond is to tell them to get out of your fucking face, you motherfucking racist. And remember, that's not mean. That's just math.
You were sent this video because you either said or posted on social media the following statement: more white people are killed by the cops than black people. There's 191 million white people, 42 million black people. You divide 191 by 42 and you find out there's 4.55 as many white people as there are black people. So in 2019, there was 370 white people killed by the cops. Again, 370 divided by 4.5 will yield the number 82. That's how many black people should have been killed by the cops if all things were equal, if it was proportionate. However, there was 235 black people killed by the cops. Divided by 82, the number it should have been, you'll find out that that's a number 2.87 times higher than what it should have been. There's 3 times as many black people killed than white people by the cops per capita. So there you have it. Now you understand the numbers. You understand what you were saying was wrong. You can stop saying that dumb shit.